Gives me great pleasure to also welcome His Excellency to the Fijian Elections Office, and I recall that back in 2014, His Excellency was our first official guest at this conference room after we finished building it, and it is indeed a pleasure to have His Excellency here this afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, today marks a very important day in our calendar. It is 1 year after the historic general election in 2014. In most countries who have elections, the day of the last election does not carry much significance. However, for Fiji and the FAO, this day will be a memorable one, and we thought to invite His Excellency and all our friends of the FAO to commemorate this event with us. It is a special day because last year, on 17th of September, Fijians voted in the general election to elect a new 50-member parliament after a lapse of 8 years. It was a historic event for all Fijians, as for the first time, Fijians voted under an open list system of proportional representation. For the first time, all Fijians voted under a common voter roll. Also for the first time, the election was conducted in a single day. The whole country was a single national constituency, and Fiji applied the internationally recognized principle of one person, one vote, one value.
My support of the elections office is a continued support. It started from when he was appointed, and it's gone through from there. And I believe, and many believe, that we have appointed the right man to lead this office. And he recruited the right people who here, who dedicated their work. And that was the result of a successful election. Nothing else was that. Then the donors came in, and the partners, you came in, pledged your support, and you supported us. And the result was what came out of the election. But it's the first. There's many more elections to come. I go out of retirement. My name might be on the candidate poll. And you might get a younger looking man than the one in the poll. So, but all that I want to do is to, again, publicly thank you and members of your staff for doing this great work for Fiji.